Welcome to Bradenton Store 1863, Home Depot, baby.
The title says it all. One fine but windy spring day, we ventured our way to the Lakewood Ranch, a cute little community in Sarasota County, where we at first started wondering why there were a lot of locals walking around the downtown portion.
Good car show here. This looks like a nice place to go car shopping. Got some quality cars here. That's stuff that's so worthy of vlogging. Yep, the flight to the North Pole Incorporated. Alright. Yep, it's a nice day here. Downtown area with a lot of cars and a lot of tents as well. It's good stuff. Raymond James has a building here. It's fun stuff. It's really fun to know where things are half the time.
It is home to many different makes. There, we could see Lamborghinis in the mix, we could see Ferraris in the mix, and we could even see old sports cars as well as some open wheel cars. And that, along with the great view of the ocean and the lake, it proved to be a great sight to see that very day.
Nice looking cars here, Ferraris and a whole lot of other stuff. Exotic car festival. This is what it is. Shelby Racing. It's good. It's amazing.
It is home to many different makes. There, we could see Lamborghinis in the mix, we could see Ferraris in the mix, and we could even see old sports cars as well as some open wheel cars. And that, along with the great view of the ocean and the lake, it proved to be a great sight to see that very day.
There's the other pictures, and there's more cars in the area. And also live music is always a good plus. Yeah, it's amazing to try new things and just to explore new places as well. Lakewood Ranch Information Center. Yep, some Q&A about this place that is located right here.
Another great experience, and it became my new restaurant too because of the amount of food they served, like calamari, crab, fish, lobster, burgers, and a whole bunch of other foods.
Going out creamery. Almost some deluxe ice cream. And that's gonna do it for our time at the Exotic Car Festival here at at this river at the town place, Riverwalk thing. I'm trying to remember the name for it, but other than that, it's a great experience. So much to do and see here, and we got the lunch as well. Great place to check out Ferraris and Lamborghinis again. And I'm so glad we picked up a good part of town.